Jollibee Kiddie Meal for the month of March 2025. Sanrio Characters Wonder Wheel. What do you think of this blind box toy set ng Jollibee? Is it a go for you or no for you? Whatever thoughts, please comment it down below. But for me, when we say blind box, yun lang talaga ang pinaka naging downside for this. For me, I am really not a fan na mga blind box na toy. Kasi for me, it's a game of chance eh. Kung magkakaroon ka or magkakaroon ka ng doubles or hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mo. So nakaka-frustrate talaga yon. And for me, ang toys, dapat hindi ka ma-frustrate sa toys eh. Yun ang pinaka-downside na nakikita ko. But for the overall na Sanrio characters natin dito, for me, super approve ako. Kasi ang ganda no mga characters natin dito. Ang ganda ng mga paint-ups nila. Wala naman naging duling sa kanila. And yung playability niya, super mama-maximize nyo talaga yung buong set na to. Again,